Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can check the language model used by the Comet AI web browser for your chats, threads, and conversations or searches online. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so let me head over to the Comet AI application, browser application. And what you want to do next is simply use that text field here to enter your command. For example, any of these suggestions here, you may simply, ask the artificial intelligence here on Comet AI to navigate you to a specific website or to find, the latest news. So guys, what you want to do is, before you send your command, is simply select your language model. That's one option. However, guys, if the response has already been provided and you would like to find out which language model has been used, simply scroll all the way down to the bottom of the response. And here, guys, you will see that symbol next to the upvote and downvote buttons, this one here. And you will see the used language model for this specific response. You may always change the language model for these responses, guys, here in the text field or text box here by clicking into this button and select one of these supported ones here, like Grok, Gemini, Claude, GPT-5 or Sonar, which is the one usually used by Perplexity. And of course, guys, you can do this also for your follow-up questions inside the given thread or conversation. So if I head over to one of these threads here and scroll to the bottom of it, you will see that follow-up text box here. So here you can simply click into that language model, and there you go. Select one of these here. As you can see, the GPT-5 language model features even the reasoning feature. You may enable it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.